Hello, how are you all? So today I'm going to explain you about the chemical equations and reactions, that is the chapter 1 of class 10th. And the first thing is the first topic which we will cover is what is the difference between chemical reactions and equations. Okay, so this is the first topic which we are going to cover. So what is chemical reaction? ठीक है, first off of chemical reaction. So mainly chemical of reaction, the reaction, ठीक है, the chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? The process, it is a process, ठीक है, the process in which two or more reactants, ठीक है, two or more reactants combine to form product, or one reactant dissociate to form two or three products, ठीक है. So what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is just process how the reaction is occurred, ठीक है. Whereas the chemical equation, okay, what is chemical equation? Chemical equation is that by which we represent the chemical reaction, ठीक है, by which we represent the in the chemical reaction we use symbols in order to represent the process of chemical reaction. Okay, got it? So now types of reaction, okay, types of reactions. So first one बिल्कुल है combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction. देखो, as it is clear from the name that it is a combination reaction. What is combination reaction? The reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form one product, ठीक है. So this is combination reaction, ठीक है. For example, okay, for example CaO, that is calcium oxide. This is calcium oxide plus we combined it with water, ठीक है. This is in solid form. When we mix the calcium oxide in water, then we will get calcium hydroxide, ठीक है. So these are reactants that are on the left side of the arrow. These are the reactants, and the product is on the right hand side, which we get after reacting the reactants, ठीक है. So this is a calcium hydroxide. This is calcium hydroxide. Okay, so this is an aqueous solution. What is aqueous? Aqueous solution is that in which solvent is water. Okay, so what is aqueous solution? Aqueous is that solution in which water is a solvent. So clear? Is it clear to you? Combination reaction. Now next reaction is decomposition reaction. Okay, so what is decomposition reaction? It is a reciprocal of, ठीक है, it is a reverse reaction, not reciprocal, it is a reverse reaction of combination reaction. Okay, combination reaction, ठीक है. So देखो बच्चे, reverse, what do you mean by reverse? Reverse means कि in the combination reaction, ठीक है, two reactants combine to form one product, whereas in decomposition reaction one product dissociate to form two or more products, ठीक है. So what is decomposition reaction? Okay, the reaction in which reactant dissociate to form decomposition reaction. Okay, so this is a definition of decomposition reaction. Now the example of decomposition reaction is FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, to give ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. ठीक है, this is the example of decomposition reaction. And in this reaction देखो, in this reaction one reactant, this is a reactant, ferrous sulfate, this is a reactant. The reactant dissociates, ठीक है, dissociates, decompose, ठीक है, dissociate to form 3 products. So this is an example of decomposition reaction. So is it clear to you? Okay, now next, ठीक है, next है thermal decomposition. What do you mean by thermal decomposition? देखो, thermal, what is the mean of thermal is heat. ठीक है, the decomposition reaction which occurs in the presence of heat, okay, in the presence of heat, is called thermal decomposition. So okay, is it clear to you? Thermal decomposition. And the example could be same because this reaction is also takes place in the presence of heat. So is it clear to you? Now the other types of equations, which are the 3 another types, we will do in the next video. Have a nice day.